What's up, guys? In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Telegram account using two simple methods. First, open the Telegram app and go to Settings. Next, tap Privacy and Security. Then scroll down to the Delete My Account section. If you see the option to delete your account now, simply select it and follow the instructions to confirm. If you don't see these options, you can use the second method. Open the web browser and search for Telegram Delete Account. Open the official Telegram page and enter your phone number with the correct country code. Tap Next, then enter the confirmation code sent to your Telegram account and sign in. Once you're signed in, select Delete Account. Review the information shown, then confirm by selecting Delete My Account. And that's it. Your Telegram account will be permanently deleted. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Peace.